Today, we'll be exploring the water-powered Ford's Gage plant. This place was opened up in 1925 and then closed down in 1954 after Henry Ford sold this place. Henry Ford employed many Swedish immigrants to produce Johnson gauge blocks, known as the world's standard of measurement at the time. Let's get straight into it. Now we're in. We're in here. What does this used to be? It's like Bethanol. I don't know what Bethanol is. This place is kind of.
Oh, fucking hit the window.
What the? No, I didn't get it recorded. No. No,
There it goes.
Fly bird. Fly away. What is down here? I don't know where.
That's the lower part.
Huh?
Bad as fuck.
What? We haven't seen this part.
Probably where they're shooting.
So what he meant by that is there was people that was here and they had the cops called on them because they're breaking stuff. Don't break stuff, but they were breaking stuff and they were shooting guns, like full on freaking guns. Like full on guns. It's crazy. Like why would you even do that into an abandoned building, dude? Holy, what in the 1800 cellar is this? What's up there?
A manhole.
A manhole, it's a manhole. Oh, that's a wire. Almost died from.
Power.
Huh?
No power. Fuck Biden.
Where's it at? Yeehaw, partner. So those cameras are dummies?
Could be 120 somewhere, but there's no lights inside or cameras inside here.
Wonder if there's motion detectors. I know. Close this door when you open. I can't read. Take this out. Holy frick. There's an upstairs. Do you see these stairs right here? What are these stairs? Keep it right there. There's light on right here. Don't go in, don't go in, don't go in.
This is a sunroof. I hear people.
Do you? There's light in there. It's actually on.
There's no light in there.
Yes, there is. Look.
That's the outside of the sunroof.
Oh.
I think those cameras are bullshit.
You said there's no cameras?
Those cameras are not.
They're fake.
Up there.
I freaking knew it. Yeah. This place is huge, huh? Very. Huh?
Shit, the roof's up here too.
Interesting. Oh. Kiss your sister. Huh? He's taking a selfie.
Also, we usually go on the roof at day.
Not yet. We do about our way out, so if people do see us, we'll be gone by then.
Right.
We'll do it on the way out. Huh? Base. Alright, let's explore what we had. I'm dying of sweat.
You get more mission?
Oh wow. Looks like we're not near it at all. This place is huge. There's still a lot more to What happens if I press this button? Imagine the whole thing collapsed.
Yeah, doesn't the place burn? Is these charter marks? Is it black? I think it's just black.
I think it's black one too. Fish stick. One mouse shoot this up. Goddamn freaking Ratatouille. You wildin'. I always have a question. Why does it look like all this stuff is melted?
Looks like a bathroom at one time. You split it.
Holy. We're looking for the upstairs now.
I don't know how to get up there.
We're on the second upstairs, but this is where we came in from. Everyone in the Notice. Alarm will sound. You open this door. Yeah, what?
Control room,
What's here?
furnace and shit. Take a picture of it.
Rely on your flashlight, by the way. I can see myself. Some type of workbench. It's just trashed. All just.
What's this say right here?
What's that?
Outside lights, east wall. Some of them are on. I'm just wondering if there's power to that.
I don't think there's power in here.
I don't think so either.
I think the guy was out of his mind. I think the reason why the cops were called is because they were making
Too much noise.
Yeah, he was trying to freaking warn us, like, careful, people got community service for 1,000 hours. He said that before we went in originally. And then when we come out, he says, because they were shooting guns. It's like,
And breaking shit.
we're not doing that. We're Oh, so we're respectable and I freaking was
Is that
just
your water drop?
Probably.
Okay, well, I don't know how we get to the other part of it.
I'm not sure either.
Yeah, we're going on the same side.
We're actually stupid. We're actually brain dead. We don't know where the stairs are at. Are we stupid? Holy. Are we in a maze? What's right here? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Somewhere.
Why is it so confusing for us? Ready? Set. Let's go behind that wall. Oh, we're on the roof. Sick, yes. Selfie man right here. Should I fly my drone? It's great, this roof's boring. There's nothing interesting on it. There's another liner on there, but it just brings you to another freaking boring roof.
Right.
No point. I would do it. Just no point. It's like wasting time. The time that we can't be spent wasting. Focus. Hold on. It's very hot and I'm wearing literally everything. It's like 90 outside. These cameras the guy was talking us about. This camera's the guy was talking about. Cut to the clip.
You went inside at all?
No.
Be careful because they got cameras all over that damn place.
All right.
And the kids that go inside, the
Yeah.
last time they had them do like 1,700 hours of freaking community service. 'cause
Damn.
they got caught over there doing some shit.
Them.
Whatever.
The fake. Yeah, but yeah. Sorry. That was the video. Some of you want more content like this and more crazy stuff. Goodbye.
I know that you don't understand.